Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 5th Subject English.
Good morning, student. Welcome to 5th standard English class. Today we are going to see chapter 6, King Arthur. Okay. King Arthur, the green land of Britain was covered with a great forests and wolves and bears and Roman, while in the countryside there lived in the powerful king. The powerful king's name was Udra Bendrahan. Uttar Bendrahan, the bravest of all the king of Britain. His close and advisor. Advisor was old man called Merlin. Okay, was no ordinary. Merlin was no ordinary man. So many magical courses, and was the very wise in the ways of the world. Then the king Uttar, the Bendragon, is always asked the Merlin advisors for help. Then when the wife was the King Otter, the touches of Tintankle. Okay, they had been married for about 2 years. 2 years, a baby boy. They named him Otter, and Merlin was present. Present is the naming ceremony. Okay, the naming ceremony. Then one, the child was grown up to the greatest king in Britain. Okay. Then one, to be the groom the royal household. Royal household, not always the training and the kingmanship. Then one, people he will one day the troubles over. Okay, how will the now the ordinary people live. Let me take him and put him where he will land all the needs. Okay, because agreed for there now the Merlin was the best person to help their son to learn wise rules. Okay, rules wisely and well. Okay, baby away there for many years no more was here the little prince at Arthur. The king was dying. He sent for the Merlin and made his wishes clear. His son Arthur was became king. The king and Merlin the chief advisor. The chief advisor to receive the legal person. The legal person who was the young man, almost too old and after rules. Okay, then the winter after that, Uttar Bendrahan, the stone appeared out there of one of the largest churches in London. Buried the stone, the only the richest covered, the richest cover, the richest covered. Then the richest covered in the handle of sword, that would be in this scene. Okay, the great board of the sword. Okay. Next, listen. First, Uttar Bendrahan was the bravest of all king in Britain. The Merlin was the old man, the king closest friends and advisor. Okay, he was wise and knew magical spells. And when Arthur was born, Merlin registered if he hold bring him up to good and wise king. Okay, he is your younger brother to first shout from the place they are staying, and his sword broke in the first contest. Okay, he was not his real father the Merlin. Merlin had given him to bring up his own son to train him in all the arts and duties of the night. But he most be treated an ordinary boy. Then one had high tendency to fulfill. King the Uttar decided to order the Merlin because the Merlin requested to him. He wanted to bring of Arthur. Arthur the good was wise king. The child grew up the greatest king in the Britain, everyone known. Okay, then the tournament was lead in London. The knights and soldiers came from all the over the participate the men for comfort and good and with sword and styles. The younger was acting is just quiet to hide the sir Hector the hood. He looked after their horse and took Harry their armor and weapons. He ran odd jobs too for them. While running the gate, heads over to his brother. Brothers, she was sword to stood buried his stone, without waiting to read the. It was written. He pulled out the sword. Okay, the people amazed us. It was written that only the rightful king will be able to the pull it out. When they saw the sword from the stone being pulled out, they concluded to that the boys was Arthur. Okay, student. The community and hard work. He stayed in the palace and community. Okay, wow. Thank you. Okay, student. The king Arthur answered the following question. First question: who was King Uddar Pendragon? Answer: Uttara Pendragon was bravest of all kings in Britain. Second question: do you think Arthur would have been better off he been brought up to enjoy the pleasures of the place? Answer: no, he may not have learned humility and hard work if she stayed in the palace. Third question: what is the most benefiting quality of a truly great person? Humility. Long answer. First one: why were people amazed to see the feat of Sir Hector younger son? Answer: while running to get a score for his brother, he saw the sword that stood buried in the stone. Without waiting to read what was written, he pulled out a sword. This left he people amazed, and it was written that only the rightful king will be able to pull it out. Okay, student, paragraph writing. The farmer. First point: India is the agriculture country. Second point: the most of the people living in village are farmers. Third question: farmers produce the food, crops, and seed, etc. Fourth question: their work is very hard. They busy day and night and work in all season. Fifth point: he bulks the land with the help of bullocks and take care of them like a child. He guards the crops against stray cattle. All the family members work with him because of his God work sacrification. We celebrated Ulavar Dinam during Pongal celebration. Okay, student. Thank you.